Objective Geology, multiple choice questions with answers. This is the solved question paper of Technical Assistants Hydrogeology 2011 question paper. And I hope this solved question paper is useful for various competitive exams like CSR, NetGate, GSI and other exams. Welcome to Set 2. Coming to the first question. Which one of the following rock type occurs as batholiths? A. Granite, B. Cyanide, C. Basalt, D. Phonolite. The correct answer goes as A. Granite. Granite, they can occur as batholiths. Batholiths are large masses of igneous rocks that form deep within the Earth's crust and are often made of granite. Next question. For the Bowen's reaction series, the following statements are correct. A. Early formed mineral surrounded by later formed minerals. B. Early formed mineral surrounding later formed mineral. C. Early and late formed minerals never surrounding one another. D. None of the above. For the Bowen's reaction series, early formed minerals in the Bowen's reaction series, they surround the later formed minerals because the early formed minerals, they settle out of the magma, and this process is called fractional crystallization. Next question. Which of the following statements is correct to alkaline rocks? A. They are rich with alkalis and silica. B. They are rich with alkalis and poor in silica. C. They are rich with iron and manganese. D. No relation to alkalis in alkaline rocks. So the correct option is the statement which is correct to the alkaline rocks is they are rich with alkalis and poor in silica. Alkaline rocks are rich in alkalis and poor in silica, and they include like alkali basalt, nephelinites, and melillites. Next question. Vesicular structure is due to A. Escaping of volatiles on the magma surface. B. Presence of volatiles in the magmatic rocks. C. No relation to presence or absence of volatiles. And D. None of the above is correct. Vesicular structure, it is due to escaping of volatiles on the magma surface. So vesicles that result from escaping the gases, they develop at the top of the flow, and few open spaces they develop in the center of the flow because it cools slowly. So vesicular structure is due to escaping of volatiles on the magma surface. Next question. Variety of rock types are resulted due to A. Magmatic crystallization, B. Magmatic differentiation, C. Solidification, and D. Assimilation. Variety of rock types are resulted due to magmatic differentiation. So this magmatic differentiation creates a variety of igneous rocks. Magmatic differentiation, it is a process that alters the composition of the magma, which then creates different types of igneous rocks. Next question. Which of the following is a plutonic igneous rock? A. Dolerite, B. Basalt, C. Granodiorite, D. Conolite. So the option is C. Granodiorite. Granodiorite is a plutonic igneous rock. It is formed by intrusion of silica-rich magma, which cools in batholiths or stalks below the Earth's surface, and it is usually only exposed at the surface after uplift and erosion have occurred. Next question. Quartzo-feldspathic rocks are A. Acidic rocks, B. Intermediate rocks, C. Basic rocks, and D. Ultrabasic rocks. So quartzo-feldspathic rocks are acidic rocks. They are often associated with acidic to intermediate glass, and these are made up of minerals like quartz, feldspar, and potash feldspar. Next question. Which of the following is a monomineralic rock? A. Diorite, B. Dunite, C. Peridotite, and D. Gabbro. So the correct option is B. Dunite. Next question. Petrolith of quartzite is A. Shale, B. Sandstone, C. Gabbro, D. Quartz. Petrolith of quartzite is sandstone. This petrolith, it is a type of sedimentary rock which is made from cementation of small grains of sand. Next question. Which of the following rock easily undergoes metamorphism? A. Shale, B. Granite, C. Pegmatite, D. Gabbro. So the correct option is shale. Shale can easily undergo metamorphism to form other types of metamorphic rocks. Next question. Metamorphism of limestones give rise to, all these are very simple, straightforward questions. A. Marble, B. Skarn, C. Schist, and D. Gneiss. Metamorphism of limestone gives rise to marble. Next question. Maculostructure is formed by the metamorphism of A. Argillaceous rocks, B. Arenaceous rocks, C. Calcareous rocks, and D. Acidic igneous rocks. Maculostructure is formed by the metamorphism of argillaceous rocks. Maculostructure it is formed when argillaceous rocks like shale undergo thermal metamorphism. Next question. Herzburgite is a variety of A. peridotite, B. dunite, C. anarthosite, and D. gabbro. Herzburgite is a variety of peridotite. It is a general term for a group of igneous rocks that are rich in olivine and mafic minerals. Herzburgite is a coarse-grained ultramafic rock that's made up of olivine and orthopyroxene. Next question. Ophitic texture is formed between A. agate and plagioclase, B. agate and hornblende, C. orthoclase and plagioclase, D. quartz and plagioclase. So the correct option is A. agate and plagioclase. Ophitic texture it is the association of latch-shaped euhedral crystals of plagioclase which are grouped radially or in an irregular mesh with the surrounding or interstitial stage anhedral crystals of pyroxene. Next question. The seismic velocities reach maximum values for the Earth in the A. upper mantle, B. lower mantle, C. outer core, and D. inner core. Seismic velocities reach the maximum values of the Earth in the lower mantle. The PV velocity in the lower mantle is around 13.6 kilometers per second, and the SY velocity in the lower mantle it is around 7.3 kilometers per second. So the seismic velocities reach maximum values of the Earth in the lower mantle. B is the correct option. Next question. Allochemical metamorphism is also called as A. autometamorphism, B. contact metamorphism, C. pneumatolytic metamorphism, and D. metasomatism. Allochemical metamorphism is also called as metasomatism. It's a type of metamorphism that involves a significant chemical change in rock. Next question. Eclogite facies rocks are characterized by the presence of A. omphosite and garnet, B. no feldspars, C. high density minerals, D. all of the above. Eclogite facies rocks are characterized by the presence of omphosite and garnet. So eclogite is a high pressure temperature metamorphic rock which is composed of more than 75% volume of granite. It also often contain pyrope or magnesium rich almandine and omphosite which is nothing but sodium, calcium, aluminium, magnesium, clinopyroxene. So eclogite facies rocks are characterized by the presence of omphosite and garnet. A is the correct option. Next question. The presence of chlorite in the metamorphic mineral assemblage indicate that the rocks belonging to the facies A. green schist, B. amphibolite, C. granulite, and D. epidote amphibolite. So the correct option is A. green schist. The presence of chlorite in a metamorphic rock indicates that the rock is a green schist, and chlorite it is a common mineral in the green schist, a type of metamorphic rock that's characterized by its green color. Next question. Earth plates move on A. asthenosphere, B. crust, C. upper mantle, and D. lower mantle. Earth plates move on asthenosphere. The Earth's tectonic plates they move on the asthenosphere. It is a layer of the mantle that's weaker and less rigid than the lithosphere above it. Next question. Migmatite is A. metamorphic rock, B. igneous rock, C. sedimentary rock, and D. none of the above. Migmatite is a metamorphic rock that's made up of alternating layers of different types of rocks such as granitoid, schist, or gneiss. It's a hybrid rock that's a result of partial melting of an older metamorphic rock, which is called as the paleosome, and the subsequent recrystallization. And the other layer is called as the neosome, or it has a pegmatitic, aplitic, or granitic appearance. And migmatite, it is a sign that the rock was heated enough to partially melt, and it is found in medium and high-grade metamorphic environments. And migmatites, they are often found below deformed metamorphic rocks that form the base of the eroded mountain chains. Migmatite is a metamorphic rock. A is the correct option. Hope you have followed the content and the questions. See you in the next video. Thank you for your time. You can explore geosciences and you can subscribe as well. Thank you for your time.